so I don't slip and slide. People need to realize it's bigger than just you and I. Don't fall into the trap, we're better if we're unified. Got a lot to contemplate, not too late to decide. A wise woman said love is stronger than pride. Not impressed by packaging, I'm looking on the inside. Keep the fire burning, wheels turning, yo, let's ride. Feel the vibe, overcome the great divide. Building bridges with folks that's like-minded. People out here soul-searching, and I hope they find it. Coalition, with the crew that's on the same mission. Recapture the soul that was stole, cause it's still missing. What we came for, dropping knowledge over rhythms. Sharing wisdom through this new oral tradition. Share the same stage, we are on the same page. Much better together with a spark for these dark days. Unity, it can't happen without you and I. Wanna change the world, they ask who am I? And how do I have the audacity? Can't do it alone, don't have the capacity. They say many hands make light work. If everybody plays a part, then it might work. It's complex, like trying to solve a puzzle. But if we come together, we can make it through the struggle.
It goes, listen, this is the weirdo era. Everything is blurred, the more you look, the less it gets clearer. And you can see the end times are drawing nearer. Hip-hop is dead, and I'm the pallbearer. I hear a lot of negativity in the music. They're under the influence, sell drugs, and they use it, abuse it. Daddy not around, it's a norm. OGs share the blame too, abandoning newborns. The government tried to shut us down before dawn. Turn my land into a dump site and leave it war-torn. The vain only care if they look nice. You base your life on the outcome of shook dice. You can't be lucky like the fish who bit the hook twice. They're trying to stop us from reading the book heist. So we fight to be free from the crook's vice. We gotta stick together like overcooked rice.
Unity, it can't happen without you and I. Wanna change the world, they ask who am I? And how do I have the audacity? Can't do it alone, don't have the capacity. They say many hands make light work. If everybody plays a part, then it might work. It's complex, like trying to solve a puzzle. But if we come together, we can make it through the struggle.
I got your back and I know you got mine. What do I need to do to help you on your climb? If there's one thing I know for sure with all clarity, we won't get far without solidarity. Like the mamas cooking food as the train passes through, feeding people fleeing violence with nothing else left to do. Or the grandmas at the protest with snacks in hand, feeding you so they can march, standing up to the man. We know we're better together, but we get stuck in our own struggle. We must not get caught up, cause we can only be as strong as the weakest. It's not a secret, it's all in the treatment. My intersectional people of wonder, underserved LGBT person of color. Unity, the state of oneness. Dismantle otherness and step into abundance.
Unity, it can't happen without you and I. Wanna change the world, they ask who am I? And how do I have the audacity? Can't do it alone, don't have the capacity. They say many hands make light work. If everybody plays a part, then it might work. It's complex, like trying to solve a puzzle. But if we come together, we can make it through the struggle.
Tenemos el poder para cambiar todo aquello que queramos transformar. Somos creatividad en movimiento. Encontramos implemento y transformamos lo que un día creímos cierto. Seremos esclavos si lo pensamos. Unidos nadie moverá un dedo de nuestras manos. Seremos libres si organizamos el barco y construimos juntas el sueño que soñamos. La evolución planetaria es inminente. Gaia es un ser vivo que se hace fuerte. Fuimos adolescentes, incompetentes, pero volveremos a conectarnos con la fuente. Pueblos indígenas resistirán hasta las últimas consecuencias de esta realidad. Su verdad es intrínseca y conecta con la fuerza de la naturaleza. Conecta con la fuerza de la naturaleza. La verdadera esencia.